Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin inside Chrome settings because the dark theme toggle lives there. Click the three-dot menu at the top right, then choose Settings. This opens the control panel. Once done, look at the left sidebar for Appearance or Themes. Some versions show Themes under Appearance. Make sure Chrome is updated so the theme options match these steps. Updates often move controls. Now you're ready to change the theme from dark back to light. You'll now switch the actual theme. In Appearance, click Theme or Themes. That opens Chrome's theme selector. Choose the light theme or click Reset to Default if a dark extension or wallpaper set is active. If Chrome follows your operating system, make sure to toggle off Use System Theme and then pick Light manually. That prevents the OS dark mode from overriding Chrome. Once selected, Chrome immediately updates, so confirm the browser background. Finish by restarting Chrome to ensure the light theme persists across windows. If parts remain dark, disable any extensions that force dark mode because they override theme settings. Make sure websites aren't using Chrome's Force Dark Mode flag. Go to Chrome, //flags, and set Auto Dark Mode for web contents to default or disabled. If problems continue, check your operating system's dark mode setting, since Chrome can inherit that. Changing the OS to light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.